Okay, so me and my buddies just got done with that 7-mile bike ride to my pop's house. So now we're treating ourselves while riding four-wheeler. Well, the exhaust pipe keeps popping off, that one there. So I had to ride down here to get springs off the other ones, which these aren't the right ones, I gotta get them. But this thing sounds so weird when it's that's just from that little piece popping off. It honestly kind of sounds kind of good, but we have neighbors, so I mean I can't ride it like that. Well, I get the springs fixed up. There's the other two, Johnny and Wyatt. Trying to rip donuts, it's not working out. That one though does amazing donuts. This tire was off the ground like that much.
Get off. Move. Get off. I can tell you, nigger. I can tell you.
It won't do donuts.
Oh yeah, it will. It'll do donuts.
That's not a donut, that's a circle.
You don't even know how to fucking do it.
No, donuts is what that thing does. That's just circles.
Let me do it. You ain't gonna fucking do it.
This one does circles, that one does donuts.
He ain't gonna do it.
Keeping it way too high in rev.
I know, I should have dropped down to third. Told you. Fuck
Hey,
you.
how was the bike ride?
I can't drive.
How was the bike ride?
Oh.
He doesn't want to talk about it. How was the bike ride? How was the bike ride?
Fucking sucked.